Hello guys, welcome to Programming Academic channel. And today we are going to create our final dashboards. So let's go to start to create our final dashboard. So our tutorial today is creating slides. Here we have a slides to make a nice. Here, nice. And first we want to do here, and we're going to format, guys, very quick. So easy to format. Come to here, then background turn on border shadow. Yeah, let's give to 12 pixel. Seating needs to operate the list. We're going to make a file code. Then we're going to now give text color bold, color black, and then go to background. With this one. Great. Now it's everything is local. We are going to copy this one. Then we want to paste again. We're going to put nice in the middle here. To make it big. Here we are going to use quarter. Let's set up here. We're going to use, guys, quarter. It looks nice. Then we copy and then paste again. Okay. Here we'll have to promote this little bit. We want to make one also. Okay, this one we are going to go here. We're going to use a round for stores. So we have a 4 stores. So we go back again here. This one includes so we can get a or 5 stores. Yeah, little bit. Yes, look, guys, nice, yeah. Okay, yeah, guys, make a little bit straight because we want everything, but from top to down, everything looks straight. So now it's look great, right? Yeah, So guys, look our final dashboards. This is a really artificial uh, business intelligent dashboards. Let's go to uh, check how it's work. So we are in 2019. One under quarter one, three. Then let's go to store one, and let's go to store three, and go to store four and one. See guys how it's working. Just look amazing, right? So this way, okay, how to become a full star data analyst. Everything is working perfect, right? So the 19, 20, store one, store four, store two. See, so look guys, this is our final dashboards. Guys, this tutorial from start to end, I already make so many series, like more than 10 series. So I hope guys you already learning all this tutorials and you can create it like this dashboard. If you guys anything that you miss it over any tutorials and you have any questions, so write me down. I'm here to help you. So guys, don't forget like subscribe to support this channel, and then you are going to learning many things from this channel. You will never miss one of my tutorials. I'm going to create so many dashboards like this, more than beautiful like this. You are going to learning in few months this all tutorials. So bye for now.